There are two different kinds of apportionment footnotes, A and B. A footnotes are legally binding, they're enforceable under the Antideficiency Act, and they establish legal requirements related to the use of the funds. In some cases, the Office of Management and Budget has used A footnotes to impound or delay the obligation or spending of funds. This is an example of an A footnote in an apportionment. It's in the bottom half. It is labeled as an A footnote, in this case, A1. And you can see here the kinds of restrictions it puts on the use of this particular set of funds, in this case, Reconciliation Act funds for basic training and tuition. And the restriction placed in these funds is that they aren't available unless they're specified in the agreed upon spending plan between Department of Homeland Security and OMB. So this is an example of the kind of A footnote that, again, comes with legally binding conditions enforceable under the Antideficiency Act. B footnotes are descriptive. They provide background information, often about a given line item or apportionment. Here, for example, there's a B footnote that just describes the source of the funds provided for in this LIHEAP apportionment. Here you can actually see on our search page where you can search for apportionments that have a particular type of footnote. So for example, if you wanted to see apportionments from an agency or bureau that have an A footnote that's legally enforceable, you could type into the agency and bureau field which agency or bureau you're looking for, and then click on A here, and then hit the search button, and you would see results for apportionments for that agency that have legally binding footnotes.